Running applications across dozens or even thousands of locations is not hard on day one. The real challenge is keeping everything aligned after. Versions drift, configurations change, updates get delayed or skipped, and every manual fix adds risk. Application Lifecycle Management in Scale Computing Fleet Manager solves this. Instead of one-off deployments, you get a repeatable lifecycle for every application. Publish, deploy, monitor, update, retire. All managed centrally and consistently at scale. You publish an application once, then deploy it everywhere with full control over versions, configurations, and policies from a single secure interface. From one dashboard, you can see what is running where, keep versions aligned, roll out updates confidently, and cleanly retire applications when they are no longer needed. The result is control, consistency, and continuity across every site and every application. Scale Computing Fleet Manager Application Lifecycle Management. Centralized application delivery for the edge. To learn more, visit scalecomputing.com/SC Fleet Manager.